Hi, I'm Stacy, and today I'm going to show you how to make shoyu chicken. So this is a Hawaiian dish that uses a sweet savory soy sauce mixture. It's something that my family has loved for many years and something that we use when we're serving a large group of people. So it's very simple to make, something that is quick and simple to cook. There's just not a lot of thought put into it, so let me just show you how it's done. So the first thing we're going to do is we need a smaller saucepan, and we're going to throw our sauce ingredients into this pan and heat it up so that we can melt the sugars. So we start out with 3/4 cup of Aloha soy sauce. Now I'm usually not a big brand person, but the Aloha soy sauce, it's not as salty as other soy sauces. It has a much milder flavor to it, and I just happen to like it for this chicken. Then we're going to add 3/4 cup of brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, and 4 cloves of minced garlic. All I'm going to do is heat this up until all of our sugars have melted. Okay, that'll do it. So now the next step is to pour it over our chicken. Now I have 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs in this larger pot, and I'm just gonna pour it all in here together. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on this, and what I need to do now is just put this on my stove top. And I'm going to be simmering this for about 1.5 hours, just until your chicken is totally tender. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done.